Did you know your emotions are actually action signals? Let's decode two of them right now. Hurt. That feeling of hurt is a signal that you have an unmet expectation. Maybe you felt a loss of trust or intimacy. The solution: realize you might not have actually lost anything. Reevaluate the situation. Is there really a loss here? Or you can communicate your feeling of loss to the person involved. Ask them to clarify what really happened. Often, hurt can turn into the next emotion, anger. Anger signals that an important rule or standard you hold has been violated, but maybe they just didn't know your rules. Instead of getting mad, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Try changing your approach or communicating your needs more clearly up front. Understanding these signals is the first step to mastering your emotions. Follow for more tips on turning your emotions into your power.